We've seen so much camaraderie developed among the participants. We've got a lot of shared ideas, and it was a great opportunity for women from all walks of life and all different kinds of riding could come together and share their stories and just develop, like I said, a real great camaraderie. Women in motorcycling is a very growing segment in the motorcycling community, and the more we can do to shine a bright light on the fact that women ride motorcycles too helps us demonstrate how mainstream motorcycling is. Well, you know, we had some great speakers at the conference this year. We had Leslie Porterfield, who holds 2 land speed records, and that was a very inspiring speech that she gave. And of course, Ashley Filick was also a speaker at the opening ceremonies, and she was just tremendous. To hear her story was incredibly inspiring, and I don't think there was a dry eye in the house when she was done. It's really very exciting to have all of these women who are participating in this conference, and we're really eager to have more and more women become part of the AMA, because the AMA represents everything motorcycling, and we're real excited to expose those who weren't AMA members when they came here to our organization, because we'd love to have them join the AMA. You know, the AMA has been hosting these Women in Motorcycling conferences for quite some time. This, in fact, is the 5th AMA International Women in Motorcycling Conference, and we're real excited to bring such a diverse group of women together each time we put on one of these conferences, and this event was no exception. Just a real diverse population of women who came from all over the place. I think we had 46 states represented here. There were women from Canada and Australia and Switzerland and as far away as Japan. So, you know, truly there is a very international flavor. You know, the niche that the American Motorcyclist Association can occupy that no other entity can lay claim to is the fact that we are an organization that represents all motorcyclists. It doesn't matter what type of motorcycling you do. You are a cruiser or an off-road rider, a long-distance tourer, or what have you. There is a place for you in the AMA, and it's very important to us that we do represent all aspects of motorcycling. And, you know, there may be other organizations out there that represent smaller niches of the motorcycling public, but the AMA really embraces all things motorcycling.